If you're using AgencyZoom and Claude pretty often and you wish they could talk to each other a little bit better, I'm going to show you the gift of the AgencyZoom skill that I have created, which can do everything. Look at lead sources, add notes, move people through different pipelines, grab data so you can actually fill out an Accord or a COI just based on what you have in AgencyZoom. Then you can manually update it and say Ben's Insurance Agency or whatever you need. You can find where your leads are coming from, add notes, pull details about your leads or customers, when people's renewals are coming up, add notes, etc. So you can do so much, and I'm going to walk you through how to use this skill, which you can get for free at the link below from WhereToBegin.ai. My name is Ben. I've created the only course for insurance professionals on how to go from never having used Claude to being a Claude expert specifically in insurance. So here I'll show you a couple of examples. I asked my Claude to check AgencyZoom for a few things. Does Linda Brooks have any policies with us? Where are my leads coming from? Break it down by source. Who are my 5 most recent leads? Is John Doe already in our system? I made a lot of duplicates of John Doe, so you can see it does duplicate detection. We can add people, like adding Maria Alvarez as a new lead with notes. We can log calls. We can move people to different stages and pull up information about our customers as well. So you can see I just typed this all as one big inquiry. Then it used the AgencyZoom by WhereToBegin.ai skill, which again, you can download for free. And then you'll see that it says the login is stored on this computer only, and the username and password only stays in this conversation. So I've already changed my password. If you decide to pause the screen recording here and use this password, go right ahead. It's not going to do anything. But you can see that it asked me for which pipeline to use. I'm using a sandbox AgencyZoom here. And then it said, okay, Linda Brooks, she has one policy. Here's her customer number. Here's the email that we have, the phone number, who the agent is. Policy number was not on file, but we have the premium, the effective dates, and we can see this expires August 11th of this year. If I want to click on the customer number, you can see I can do that, hit open link, and check this out. Here is Linda Brooks in AgencyZoom. So not only does it give us the information, but it can open that for us in the browser. We can see the home policy expires on 8/11. So this might be a data entry error, etc. It'll call things out, right? Like the effective date and the expiration date didn't make sense in this one. For the leads breakdown, it went through the last 12 months. It hit the cap of 500 leads. So if you have more leads than that, then you can ask it to do multiple inquiries. But we can see where the lead sources came from. So how many, what percentage that breakdown is. Then we can see the most recent leads. Again, I can click on any of these and it'll open an AgencyZoom. We can see the status, the source, who was assigned to this lead. And then we can see, for example, John Doe. I said, is John Doe in our system? It said, yeah, it's in 61 times, right? Every single one is in new. It's across 8 different emails. Here's when they were created, etc. And then Summit Ridge Roofing, it found they're in Austin, Texas. The phone number, the agent is Nick White. Then we have the type of policy, policy number, premium, effective dates, etc. Right? So it gave us all of this. You can get the idea. It can do so many things. You can run multiple chats at once in Claude Coworks. And I'm going to use WhisperFlow to type into my computer, add a new lead to AgencyZoom. His name is Bob Smith. He wants home and auto insurance, has a 15-and-a-half-year-old son who will be getting his license within the next 6 to 12 months. So make a note of that as well. Put him as new in the new personal lines pipeline. Cool. That's all I need to do. I'm going to hit enter. See on the right side here under context, this is inside of Claude Cowork. It's going to use the AgencyZoom skill. There we go. It's going to ask me for my username and password. I need to enter those as 2 separate messages. So first the username, then the password, and then we'll see how it adds this lead. The nice part is you may be thinking, how is this any faster than doing it in AgencyZoom? Well, you can do multiple things at the same time, right? You can run multiple conversations in Claude, or you can ask Claude to add multiple leads. You can do this through a variety of ways. You can say, look at my email, add this lead, take a picture of a business card, say add this lead, or just type or talk into your computer. So now I'm going to give it my username and password. So ben@bencanhelp.com. If you guys ever want to email me, feel free. That is my actual email, ben@bencanhelp.com. Now it's going to ask for the password. Type my password in, hit enter. And now we'll see in about 35 seconds, it'll start that request to AgencyZoom. It may ask me some follow-up questions if it isn't sure which pipeline to put it into or which sales rep to put it under, etc. If it has questions, I can just click and answer them inside of Claude. If it doesn't, it'll just give me that new lead created in AgencyZoom. So it's just telling me that this is not the owner's login for AgencyZoom. I'm using this from the employee's perspective in this example. I'm going to just hit continue with this login. Then it says, which pipeline do you want to use? And it actually pulled a couple different pipelines we have. I'm going to click on that. And then it said, what lead source should this get? So customer referral or this, or myself, right? So I can say, this is a Facebook lead. Click enter. Now it knows exactly what I want, and let's watch it build. We can see that I typed in Facebook lead, and then it actually looked through my lead sources and found that there's nothing called Facebook lead, but there is a lead source called Facebook. So it's going to be smart enough to just use that. And it'll never make things up. So it's saying, what's Bob's email? I need that in order to make a new lead in AgencyZoom. So I'm going to say bob@bobbyboy.com. And lastly, in this skill, I made it so it doesn't write anything to AgencyZoom without your approval. So I'm going to say it's good to go. That way it doesn't clutter up your AgencyZoom. If you actually need a change or you don't want it to do something for any particular reason, it will always confirm with you before it adds anything into AgencyZoom, whether that's adding a customer, moving someone to a different pipeline stage, etc. And now we have a new lead. I can just click on it here. Let's have it open AgencyZoom. And if we take a look, we see it automatically ran my automation, sent an email, added a note, interested in home and auto, has a 15-and-a-half-year-old son who will be getting his driver's license in the next 6 to 12 months. Follow up to add young driver to the auto policy. We can see Bob Smith, bob@bobbyboy.com. This is under me and location AgencyZoom demo and the new personal line sales. There you go. Now, the last thing I want to show you, of course, is how to install this skill. So all you're going to need to do is open up Claude on your computer or in your browser. Click on the toolbox icon, which is for customize. Then in the bottom left, you'll see this skills button. Then in the top right corner of the little skills menu, click on add. Select upload a skill, and then drag the skill from your downloads folder right here. Yours will say add skill. Click yes. For me, it says upload and replace because I already have it, of course. And that's it. You can get this for free right now on my website, WhereToBegin.ai. It's linked in the bottom of this video. If you have any questions, email ben@bencanhelp.com. And I hope this helps you and your entire agency.